Well, there's the milkweed, already waiting and blossoming. Got a blossom on top of that one. And we got blossoms over here. So where are the monarch butterflies? Even got a nice cucumber going there pretty good too, and some parsley. But this is basically for the monarch butterfly. And I don't see any eggs on here yet. But it's going to take a while. Getting pretty up there. We got food right there. Hot-blooded red lantana. Waiting for already for the butterflies to eat. Okay. And we have a solar panel. Don't have to worry about charging up the battery anymore.